Hello everyone, this is Rupa S., volunteer of the Applied Forensic Research Sciences. Welcome back to another video on Afrs MCQ Times. This is UGC NET MCQ Questions, Part 29. Question number 32. Assertion. In a case of accident, length of the skid marks is measured to find out the velocity of the vehicle. Reason. Length of the skid marks depend on the velocity of the vehicle. And the options are option A. Both A and R are true. Option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true, but R is false. And option D. A is false, but R is true. And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true. Question number 33. Footprints on snow may be casted by option A. Plaster of Paris. Option B. Wax. Option C. Sulphur. And option D. Alumina. And the correct answer is option B. Wax. Question number 34. Hammer marks are option A. Striation marks. Option B. Cut marks. Option C. Compression marks. And option D. None of the above. And the correct answer is option C. Compression marks. Question number 35. Surface footprints are lifted by option A. Casting. Option B. Tracing. Option C. Maulage. Option D. All of the above. And the correct option is option B. Tracing. Question number 36. Radial fractures on glass sheet initially appears on option A. Side of impact. Option B. Opposite side of impact. Option C. Both sides. And option D. The edge. And the answer is option B. Opposite side of impact. Question number 37. The newborns are best identified by option A. Fingerprints. Option B. Footprints. Option C. Facial features. And option D. Lip prints. And the answer is option B. Footprints. Question number 38. The first permanent molar erupts at the age of option A. 5 years. Option B. 6 years. Option C. 7 years. And option D. 8 years. And the answer is option A. 5 years. Question number 39. Pearson's formula is used for calculating option A. Cephalic index. Option B. Stature. Option C. Race. And option D. Age. And the answer is option B. Stature. Question number 40. Latent fingerprint on the cloth can be developed by option A. Fingerprint powder. Option B. Iodine fuming method. Option C. AgNO3 method. And option D. All of the above. And the answer is option B. Iodine fuming method. Question number 41. The writing on a charred document can be deciphered with option A. Reflected light. Option B. Transmitted light. Option C. Under UV radiation. And option D. IR photography. And the answer is option D. IR photography. Question number 42. Latent fingerprints can be developed on a multicolored surface by option A. White powder. Option B. Black powder. Option C. Gray powder. And option D. Fluorescent powder. And the answer is option D. Fluorescent powder. Question number 43. Indented writing can be restored by option A. Visual examination. Option B. ESDA. Option C. Microscopy. And option D. UV radiation. And the answer is option B. ESDA. Question number 44. The bruise becomes green after about option A. 2 days. Option B. 3 days. Option C. 4 days. And option D. 6 days. And the correct answer is option D. 6 days. Question number 45. In lacerated wounds, the hair bulb is option A. Cut. Option B. Crushed. Option C. Lacerated. And option D. Both A and B. And the answer is option C. Lacerated. Question number 46. Lie detection graphs indicate the change in option A. Blood pressure. Option B. Skin resistance. Option C. Pulse rate. And option D. All the above. And the answer is option D. All of the above. Read the following passage and answer question numbers 47, 48, 49, and 50. A man was found dead in a field with a pool of blood. He was shot by a firearm. A blood-stained Lathi was clenched in his hand. There were a few footprints around. Autopsy report showed the presence of tattoo marks around the wound and a few pellets inside the body. Question number 47. Clenching of Lathi in hand indicates option A. Pugilistic attitude, option B. Rigor Mortis, option C. Cadaveric Spasm, and option D. Puterification. And the answer is option C. Cadaveric Spasm. Question number 48. Presence of pellets in the body indicates that the firearm used was a option A. Shotgun, option B. Rifle, option C. Pistol, and option D. Revolver. And the answer is option A. Shotgun. Question number 49. The culprit can be identified with the help of blood examination by the following test. Option A. Blood grouping, option B. Protein enzyme detection, option C. Precipitin test, and option D. DNA. And the answer is option D. DNA. Question number 50. Tattooing indicates the distance of fire as option A. 2 feet, option B. 5 feet, option C. 10 feet, and option D. 15 feet. And the answer is option D. 15 feet. I hope this video was helpful. The link for the previous video is given in the description box. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is Rupa S. Thank you so much for watching.